Wow, this is crazy. It's still recording. Okay, so this is my third attempt to promote the Dr. Oz show tomorrow. Tomorrow will mark my 11th appearance on the Dr. Oz show. It was a segment where we took a quiz on understanding the type of pain you have and the best non-drug, non-surgical approach to addressing your pain. So that's airing tomorrow on Fox at 1 o'clock. So set your DVR if you already haven't done that. And what'll happen is once the segment airs, it'll be live at a Dr. Oz show, so I'll post the link. But what was really exciting about the Dr. Oz segment is my ability to get out there and share my message that drugs are not always the answer to your pain and dysfunction and merely masking the symptoms, finding out the root cause and understanding if you have a physical problem. Is it due to stress? Is it due to structure? And what the most appropriate way to treat that non-drug. So that'll air tomorrow. Be sure to record that. And the other reason I wanted to do this video is I'm just pulling up on my screen right now. In Prevention Magazine, which is one of the largest magazines out there that people are still reading, talked about people that have chronic sciatica and the best treatment option. And one of the treatments of the six was mentioning chiropractic care, and it pulled up a study done in 2010 that showed that over 60 people, or I believe the study was over 120 people, when they saw a chiropractor, their results were better than if they didn't see a chiropractor or they had surgery. So that's what they're promoting now is chiropractic care and also topicals. That's something I'm very passionate about, topicals. Specifically in my practice, we like to utilize menthol and CBD topicals. CBD derived from hemp or cannabis really work well in helping patients with sciatica. I don't believe that was mentioned in the article, but when you combine spinal manipulation along with topicals, you have a pretty much bulletproof plan for helping your sciatica. So if you're out there and you're suffering from sciatica and you want some relief and you're tired of the drugs, you're tired of surgical options, you should really look into getting a proper chiropractic evaluation and getting treated the right way by addressing the cause, which is almost always due to spinal misalignment and nerve irritation. So addressing the spinal alignment with chiropractic care and addressing the nerve irritation with topicals, menthol, CBD creams, things like this really make a difference in addressing the cause, not just covering up the symptom.